Sabi. What was that? Ano yun?
Someone needs to make Sterling stop putting cringy quotes on their books. It's good, Mama.
Para kanino?
Tae color. For me.
Tae color. Grabe yung tae color.
It's because of my class.
Oh, ayan o. Old ways don't open new doors. Oh, maganda naman siya. And good quality kamo yung papel. So,
Open.
Yun na lang.
Hold on, the quality is a bit different here.
Kung maganda naman, embrace constant change versus
Please don't open new doors. But in terms of please don't open new doors.
O, sana gusto mo?
This one.
O, yan na lang. Bayad ka na. Pay na tayo?
It's not about permanent. How's this, Mom?
Yan na lang. Cartolina again. Oh, bili na. Ay, kuha na pala. Ayan. Happy Tuesday. Thanks, ma'am.
Thanks, brownies, chocolate.
Ito naman para kay Aleyna's teachers. Really. Kasi cute yung mga teacher mo, kaya ganito na lang. Gina-justify pa, no? Magaganda rin yung teacher si Sab, kaya ano. Di ba? Ang cute, oh.
Mama!
Para sa mga magigiting na teachers. Ni Sab. And ni Lily. Thanks, ma'am.
Smile, Elena. Smile with that, your gift. Smile. Teacher na rin, ma'am.
Na.
This is for my teachers.
And for...
These are for my teachers. I'm gonna give it tomorrow.
May video pa more. Oh, let's go. Thank you.
Can I buy you?
Oh.
When your palms are facing down, the bones in your forearms are crossing and touching each other. Here's something you wish you didn't know about your own body. When your palms are facing down, the bones in your forearms are crossing and touching each other.
Dream come true. I think I cried. I mean, I literally lay up day and night. I make dinner with my friends most of the time. And I never knew that a certain kitchen could make me want to cook so much. Because my last house I never cooked. And then I got here and this kitchen just like makes me want and it. I think I saw a photo of dark. My favorite thing about it, I guess, is the bookshelves that I built into the walls. Originally, they were just these really beautiful, like, clean wood slabs, and then they started to fall because I
So, ayan na po yung ginawa niya. Para sa kanilang cheering squad. Or para dun sa kanilang chini-cheer.
So this one will be for the vertical side, and this one will be for the horizontal side. Right now I'm already done with this, and I'm starting with the vertical side over here.
Ah, sa back.
Yep.
I have a roommate, Lisa's also unpacking and getting ready for the flight. Ignore any...
Yes, the concrete realization.
nagpakita nung gumawa nito kasi Haggard Versosa na siya. Pero ito yung back ko. Ayan. May pa we love you dyan. O, diba? O, explain it kung ano yung back na yan. May pa rainbow. Rainbow ba yan? Ay, hindi naman pala rainbow yan.
And there's this one as well.
Yan yung front niya. So, anong sabi niya?
No, this is the back.
Back pala yan. Go 7, you can do this. May ganun. Napagod na yung artist.
And it's like the ugliest drawing I've ever made. Even I could make that.
Ugliest drawing pa daw. Kahit si Alina daw kayang gawin yan. Hindi ba guluguluhan na dyan? Medyo hindi po siya kontento. But anyway, okay naman yan. Yan po yung pinaghirapan niya. Ayan, matutulog na siya. Good night, everyone. Thanks for being with us. We love you. Puro pintura na si ate, Mew Mew. Mew Mew. Puro pintura na si ate.
Good night.
Look, oh. Good night. Bagong ligo yan, eh. Good night, everyone. Mew Mew, good night, everyone na. Mew Mew. Ala. Namiss niya si ate niya, eh. Good night na. Mew Mew. Good night. Mew Mew. Mew Mew. Mew Mew.
Bakit namin kita bibigyan ng pang-date? Belated. Kalimutan ninyo eh.
Ay, ipag-date na lang kita sa tree.
Naku, huwag na, mapapagod ka lang. Sige na, pautangin ko na lang. No. Tama si Bibi. Mapapagod ka. Ito na lang ang birthday gift mo sa akin. Thank you, Bibi, my friend. Ha! Hindi ako maarte, ha? I just want to have time with you. Kaya lang, you're so busy with your work.
So I just got my exam and my experience was actually really good. Now we're just picking up papers.
Ano bang ginawa mo?
Like,
Nag-exam ng pep test.
yeah.
Exam ng pep test. Nag-exam ka for, PAP. Right? So, tapos na po siya, mabilis siya, maaga siyang natapos. So, balikan lang namin si kuya niya. Actually, may sakit po itong mga to, pero nag-try lang.
So I'm just waiting for Kuya
Nasaan pa siya?
in the testing examination.
Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi, ano yun?
Tapos na si Graitos sa kanyang exam. Ano yung pinakamahirap ka mo?
No, the exam was pretty easy. Some of them were hard. But yeah, I had fun.
English yung pinakamahirap?
One of them.
Bakit?
But I understood it.
Okay.
Very easily.
At ayan, tutulog na si Lily B. Kanina pa siya tapos eh. Pinakamaaga siya natapos sa exam niya. Morning pa lang tapos na po siya.
Because it's so easy.
Lahat po kami may sakit pero tawa ng Diyos, nakasurvive naman. So, anong gagawin natin ngayon sa DepEd mo? Ano gagawin sa DepEd ngayon? Yung result. Ha? Bakit di mo na-pass? Sabihin mo sa akin. Dili. O, ito. Magsalita, bibe. Ah. Bibe. Ano sabi mo kanina? You did great? Ha? Tapos? Tapos ano? Yung answers mo, ano nangyari? Ano nangyari sa answers? Ano yung sabi mo? Correct? Go. What? You think your answers what? Oh, why crying na? Umiiyak ka na. Come on. You did great? So, okay yung mga sagot mo. Oh, wag ka umiyak. Ba't ka umiiyak? Ba't ka umiiyak? Sabihin mo sa akin. Ba't ka nga nagka-cry? Ba't umiiyak ang bibi? Kasi, you did great, tapos, you think you did great. You believe that you did great. Well, you really did great, kasi, it's a prank! You passed it, baby. Ay, putok-putok pa. It's a prank, baby! Nakapasa ka! Yay! Pass nga. Sige na. Bye-bye!